Hi everyone. Come to Remora TC to trade like a shark and not get eaten by one. Let's go together to protect and grow our money. This video is a market sector review of the technology sector. What we have on the screen here is the triple Qs, the most famous, most popular ETF for the technology sector. Let's not confuse the triple Qs with the communications ETF that I just did in the video previously. The main difference is that the majority of holdings in the triple Qs are the big cap IT companies. Your top 5 in this triple Qs ETF is Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, and Google. Tesla is number 6, Nvidia is 7. So the majority of this ETF are the biggest names that everybody in the stock market is trading. All right, what you see on the screen is a really, really messy chart because I track and follow the triple Qs religiously. I've even had to remove a bunch of lines so that it can be a little bit cleaner for this analysis. I'll do my best to kind of give you direction. To be honest, the triple Qs and its market action has been tricky and very choppy. So here goes. All right, this year on the weekly standpoint, you can see there's a downward trend, okay? And you can tell that there's a downward trend because your portfolios and everybody's portfolios are getting hammered. Now, the key piece for us is where the support and resistance lines exist, okay? Right here, we've got a lower low back in June 22 and a even further low here in October 22. If I enable the RSI and PPO momentum indicators, you can see that there is divergence. This is a really messy chart. I apologize for that, but I use this daily. So here is the bullish divergence, okay, on the RSI. That's momentum. And price performance, PPO, also has bullish divergence. So the question then, from a change in momentum perspective, is how long will this bull rally continue? Okay. So from here to here, this is June to October, July, August, September, October, that's 4 months. So 4 months of pent-up energy, will it play out only up to here, which is end of November? I'm not sure. We'll have to see how the sharks and whales play it. There's been plenty of selling all this year. Now, I don't really see a lot of volume on the buy side, right? So if we look at, if you compare the number of green candles and red candles, in this time period, there's a lot of selling. And apart from this green candle here, which was last week or 2 weeks ago, it's not convincing to me that the whales and sharks are jumping back in. In fact, this purple trend line here, I'm going to zoom out for us, is a respected trend line that goes to the early 2020s, okay? A couple touches here, a handful here. It's provided support for this one and this one. It was rejected here. Our price, bounced off of it here. So I feel it's a legitimate trend line. So if I were to make an assessment, well, first I have to say that I'm not a financial advisor and I don't play one on YouTube. I just really enjoy doing technical analysis on stock market equities. My sense of direction, I'm not convinced that it's going to be a higher prices. I feel this purple line will provide resistance. If we go to the daily, you can see price went through it, right? Held for one day, was sold down. There's an attempt to go back, another attempt, and now price is continuing to go down. Yeah, I don't think it'll break through. So that's my assessment, is that we will have further low prices through November and December, because this purple trend line is going to hold. Okay, so lower prices, maybe even as low as to retest this trend line over here. Let me change the colors here real quick so we have some clarity. Okay, all right. That's my prediction. Lower prices for triple Qs and big tech, especially if Apple finally breaks down. All right, if you found this video useful and it has given you ideas for how you might position yourself in the markets, then fantastic. Please like and subscribe, share it with your friends, and leave a comment. Let me know what you think.